povie, že odstúpený od svojej rodiny, je to správny zmysel, on je vlastne odstúpený od toho sveta.
In a way, it is a spiritual quality. They are not so involved in the worldly matter.
Majú spirituálnu kvalitu, nezaujímajú ho veci, čo sa dejú vo svete.
This ability to stand outside themselves. They have this ability.
Majú schopnosť byť mimo seba.
We also have a knowing which comes from a very deep place. It is not some knowledge which is information. They get some information from deep inside them, which is more like an intuition.
Majú vedomie, ktoré vychádza priamo z nich, niekde z hlbšieho miesta.
So they are not analyzing things, but they can see things. They can see things clearly.
Majú intuíciu, nemusia analyzovať veci, ale vidia ich jasne.
This is not by concentrating on something, it is just by observing.
Nemusia sa na to sústrediť, vidia to pozorovaním.
You can imagine a bird which is flying up, just looking at everything, not involved in any of those details.
Iba sa pozerajú z diaľky a nie sú zahrnutí do detailov.
Because of this, sometimes they are not so much focusing, they can have something like attention deficit, where they cannot concentrate.
Kvôli tomuto, že nie sú zameraní na detaily, môžu mať poruchu správania, poruchu sústredenia sa.
Sometimes they are so lost because they are not involved, so they look like as if they are drugged.
Niekedy sú úplne stratení, vyzerajú ako keby boli nadrogovaní, tak sú rozkúpení.
They are not so much interested in worldly affairs, so they even make mistakes because they are not so focused.
Nie sú vôbec zameraní na veci, čo sa dejú vo svete.
Like mistakes in the words they use, they might use a wrong name, they may not be able to calculate.
Preto robia chyby v slovách, ťažko počítajú.
So this is what you saw in this patient. There is a lot of spiritual element.
V tomto paciente sme mohli vidieť, že mal spirituálne vedomie, duchovné vedomie.
A strong sense of spirituality is there in this.
Silný zmysel duchovnosti.
His spiritual quotient was very high. He was asking very simple questions. Who am I? Why am I in this world? What is the meaning of everything?
Jeho duchovné vnímanie bolo na vysokej úrovni. Pýtal sa otázky, kto som, na čo je tu tento svet.
He was asking most basic human questions about our existence.
Pýtal sa najzákladnejšie ľudské otázky o našej existencii.
Now one could mistake it for hydrogen, because I heard many people saying, could it be hydrogen?
Veľa ľudí si ho môže pomýliť s hydrogénom. Počul som veľa ľudí včera rozprávať sa o tom.
So here we see this, that hydrogen basically is just beginning of evolution. It's the beginning when the sperm and the ovum come together. Beginning of conception.
Hydrogén je začiatok vývoja, začiatok schopností, ako tento pacient mal.
This patient has written so many books, he is giving lectures all over the world.
Tento pacient čítal veľa kníhy, dával hodiny po celom svete.
This you will not see in hydrogen, so much of capability.
Toto neuvidíte v hydrogéne.
And the need for freedom is not so strong in hydrogen. For him it was, I feel trapped in this world, I'm trapped in this thing, I want freedom.
Potreba slobody nie je tak silná v hydrogéne. V predchádzajúcom prípade sa pacient cítil, že je chytený v klietke a potreboval slobodu a byť voľný.
This feeling of suffocation, trapped and need for freedom is a very big, very strong. The theme of hydrogen will be, do I exist? Are people noticing me?
Téma hydrogénu bude existujem, pacient bol viac komplexný, riešil viac problémov.
So one is, the three things which I see very strong in these patients is strong intuition,
Takže vtáci majú silnú intuíciu,
need for freedom,
potreba slobody
and sense of rightness of things.
a potreba správnosti veci.
They go by their inner instinct and they feel, no, this is not right. It should not be. They have rightness of things which is not coming from sense of morality.
Že oni vo vnútri cítia, že toto nie je správne. Nie je to vo forme morálky, že toto je spravodlivé, toto nie.
Another quality you see is empathy. He says that I can feel the suffering of people.
Potom je tam empatia, cítia cítia utrpenie druhých.
So they are very connected through feelings with each other, yet detached.
Sú veľmi spojení s pocitmi ostatných, ale stále so vstupom.
In a way they also do for the family. They can be family oriented.
Môžu byť veľmi rodine orientovaní.
But they make very good healers because they have empathy, but with impartial. They don't get involved.
Môžu byť veľmi dobrí liečitelia, lebo majú empatiu, ale zároveň majú aj odstup.
And lot of spiritual wisdom, which makes them excellent in healing profession.
A veľa duchovnej múdrosti, čo ich robí výbornými terapeutmi.
When the patient is coming with his problem, they are so involved in their problem, you need somebody who can see the big picture and guide them properly.
Napríklad, keď k vám príde pacient, on je veľmi